Spot trading, also known as currency-to-currency trading, refers to exchanging one digital asset for another. For example, exchanging USDT for BTC creates the BTC-USDT trading pair. On Hotcoin, spot trading is designed to be simple, fast, and professional. With over 500+ trading pairs, deep liquidity, and low fees, Hotcoin ensures you can capture opportunities in real time with maximum efficiency. Log into the Hotcoin app, click More, then go to Spot. You can browse through different trading sections and select your preferred pair. Click the K-line icon to enter the currency chart interface, where you can choose different time periods to analyze the market. The page also displays commission orders, latest transactions, and detailed trading pair information, giving you everything you need for smarter decisions. Always check your available balance before you start trading. To initiate a trade, let's take buying BTC as an example. Tap Buy, then choose an order type that fits your strategy. Limit order for precise entry, market order for instant execution, or other advanced orders for more flexibility. Enter your desired price and amount, or simply drag the slider bar for convenience. Tap Buy BTC to place your order instantly. To sell BTC, simply select Sell and choose your order type. Enter your desired price and amount, then tap Sell BTC to confirm. After your order is placed, you can check it anytime under Open Orders. If needed, tap Cancel to withdraw the order instantly. To review past trades, tap the order history icon. With Hotcoin, you get more than just trading. You get 24/7 global access, industry-leading security, and a smooth trading experience optimized for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're scalping short-term moves or holding long-term positions, Hotcoin's intuitive interface and powerful engine give you an edge. To know more and never miss a market opportunity, subscribe to our channel today.